are maybe wondering where I'm standing in a completely empty Planything office. That's because I'm going to do a makeover of my office. I thought it became a little bit boring and too much of a chaos. So I did everything in boxes so I could have space to think about how I want everything, and I really wanted to create a dream office because I'm spending most of my days here. So as you can see, it's mainly pink with white, but I'm thinking about adding all kind of yellow accessories. And so excited to, you know, change things up, buy some cute stuff for the office. I'm really excited. And as you maybe can see, I really want to do something fun with this. I'm thinking maybe of buying a yellow couch, a yellow chair, yellow accessories. I'm really excited to start with this project. And I'm super excited to start this process and make this a really sweet, beautiful, nice dream office. Buying things for the office. Hi everyone, it's reveal day. I finished my office and I'm super excited to show you. It really became a, with bright colors, happy place for me. And I'm really happy. It's just what I needed. And okay, let me show you. What do you think of my new office? I'm so in love, especially with this beautiful rug, the beautiful chair, everything like pink because of the boxes and the yellow sticker books. On this wall, it's pretty empty still, but in a few weeks I'm expecting a lot of sticker books. So there will be like rows of yellow sticker books also here. And my plan for this wall is to have more of those like posters and stuff. And also every season I will be having different posters. This is my working place. Here on this table I will be packing orders with a beautiful view. And here I'm normally working, processing the orders that I'm packing here, and working on everything on my computer. I'm also really happy with this blue curtains. They were like brown before. That was not really pretty. So yeah, what do you think? I'm so happy. So in these boxes, there are all kind of office supplies that I need. Like here are paper bags, more stickers, more bags. Here is the bingo set I'm using for my Patreons. And of course, here are the stickers that I'm using for my orders. And what I really like about this chair is, of course, it matches with all the yellow stuff. But when I'm creating the products, developing the products, I really like to sit down on a chair. I work best when I'm just sitting in a chair like this and just relax and work on new products. So yeah. And this rug really needs to have like a private view, because look how beautiful it is. Like the blue comes back in the curtains and in the accessories, the yellow of course everywhere, and the pink in the chair and in the walls, and also with the florals. So I'm really in love. And of course also the yellow container that I'm really loving. I'm just really in love with my new office. And of course I'm planning to have more accessories. It's a little bit like empty right now. You know, later on, probably I will walk in stuff that I really want to put in my office. But right now I'm already really happy, and it's really like a nice place for me to work. I really want to thank you for watching this video. I really hope you enjoy watching how I changed up my office. And yeah, see you at my next video. Bye!